Here's a quick guide to how we can take hundreds of photos in a split second using burst mode on iOS 14. I hope you find this tip helpful. If you do, why not give it a like down below and subscribe to my channel? There are loads more iPad and iPhone tips waiting for you over there. Okay, so my challenge is to take a nice photograph of my cat Mr. Tibbs wearing his very lovely Christmas outfit. Unfortunately, he's not quite so keen on his Christmas outfit, which gives me a very small window of opportunity to capture my photo. So I'm going to use burst mode to get as many pictures in a quick time as I can, and then I can choose the ones that look halfway decent. To use burst mode, all you need to do is swipe the shutter button towards the left of the camera. This has changed a little bit in iOS 14, and it's a bit confusing at first. You used to press and hold the shutter button, but now you need to swipe it sideways. Don't press on it before you swipe it, because that will start doing video mode. Literally take a finger and swipe the shutter button to the left-hand side. The longer you hold it for, the more photographs will be taken, and these will be taken in rapid succession, all within the space of a few seconds. You can then see the number in the shutter button of how many pictures you've taken. When you've done this and you've captured what you think should be the perfect shot, jump straight into the Photos app. In the top left will tell you how many photographs you've taken, and you can press the Select button on the bottom toolbar. This will open up a new interface where you can choose which of those burst mode photographs you want to keep and which ones you want to discard. You can make a selection by tapping on the picture, and that will put a blue tick in the bottom corner, and you can use that bar along the bottom to scroll backwards and forwards through the photo shoot. Some pictures have got a grey dot above them. These are ones that machine learning has picked as potential great pictures, but you can choose any ones you like. At this point, press Done in the top corner, and you'll have the choice of whether you want to just keep the pictures you've selected and lose the rest, or if you want to keep all of your photographs. Choosing either option will then create new pictures in the camera roll based on the ones you selected. And that's it. Now I've got my favourite photos from that photo shoot, and I haven't had to stress my cat out too much by making him spend half an hour in front of the tree posing for the perfect photo. And if you're curious what that photo was, well, here you go now. Mr. Tibbs looking very festive in his Christmas cape. I hope you found this quick tip useful. Please do like the video down below and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you join me on my journey as I share more and more quick tips